Here we are, coming back. Oh, look at these beautiful. Oh, this is day 2. Half off. Half off all annuals day. Oh gosh. So half off. Oh, ooh, look at that beautiful elephant ears. My friend wants some elephant ears, so I may have to get some for him. I love that elephant ear. It's $16.99, you all. I'm most likely gonna get one of these. It's dark and beautiful. Let's go over here to Hydrangea Land. Would you like to film? Am I matching with the hydrangea? I think I'm matching more. Oh, firelights. How much? See a prize. What variety is this? $24.99. $24.99. Hydrangea World. Oh, here we go. Show them that the 9 lots. $29.99.
Oh no.
Let's go over here. Oh, look at this. I still want one. I can't go through everything. Look at that beautiful crepe myrtle. Go watch it. Beautiful crepe myrtle. Oh, gorgeous. I can't go through it all. But many a beautiful shrubs. It's just determined that I am going to get wet. It's just nature shows me no love. All right, you all. Oh, beautiful Punkster Pink butterfly bush for $34.99. They're a little bit expensive here, so I usually only come when there's a must purchase item. Look at these hydrangeas. It's just, this is a variety that cannot hold the big blooms. I'm trying to find a specific name, you all. They don't have it on here, but this needs to be staked up. Otherwise, the blooms will lean over as such. Oh, that's a beautiful variety. Oak. It looks like an oak leaf. A baby oak leaf. Oh, it's beautiful. I didn't get to come over here yesterday. This variety here turns white, and then the colors change to green. Double Delight Wedding Gown. This is the older variety. Partial sun, of course. I love this. Now, if this was like $24.99, I will buy it. I think I'm going to buy it and see how much it costs. Maybe the prices are over here. I still don't see a price. See, $34.99. If it was $24.95, I would get it. Oh, you all, look at this. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love cypress. It's gonna be a little blue. Oh, blurry, you all. I apologize, but this baby is less $699. Do you all see what $600 can buy you? That's almost a week's savings. Hi. Beautiful hibiscus. Oh my gosh, this is the bigger. Okay, so that $34.99 is a much larger size. Let's see. So sometimes you have to be, yep, double light. So sometimes you get more for your money if you pay attention to the sizes. Everyone, look at the beautiful lime lights are in full bloom. Love the texture of this plant here. Cord. I might see how much this cord is. Wherever legend is. I'm going to save. That's on my wish list. That texture is coming home. Green Mountain. Boxwood with the yellow foliage on the ends. It's beautiful. Those elephant ears. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at that. Oh, just beautiful. It's just too beautiful. How much is it? $16.99. Safari Sunrise for all of you who have full sun. It's a fast grower. Okay, I like that cord, so I pulled that out. I know this, we're over here in Evergreen Nation, but my camera didn't catch all of this when they were awarding $34.99. Dawn Redwood. Beautiful texture. Okay. Oh, I just like lantanas. Oh, look at the lantanas. Beautiful. Okay, let's fill up this cart. All right. Look at the little berries. This is beautiful foliage for a blueberry. I love it. You all want it so bad. Oh, I really do. Put it in a container. What you all think? I'm in love. Legend added this in here. Let's see what he got. Japanese rush. Oh, I'm not getting that. Legend is so. Oh, look at these leaves on here. Did I skip over here initially? Oh, I'm infatuated with big leaves. A lot of people like the big leaves for indoor plants. I love them. Gotcha. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. That's the thing about coming to the nursery. You don't know the price tag on something that you probably know.